Welcome to our guide on how to turn on login alerts in your email on Facebook using your Android device. Let's walk through the steps to enable login alerts for your account. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner to access the menu. Next, tap on the settings icon within the menu. Scroll down and tap on Account Center. Select a password and security to access the security settings. Tap on Login Alerts to manage your login alert preferences. Choose your account from the list displayed. To receive login alerts via email, simply mark the option for email notifications. By following these steps, you can activate email login alerts on Facebook, ensuring that you are notified of any login activity associated with your account. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you customize your login alert notifications effectively on Facebook. Stay informed about your account activity by enabling email login alerts. Start turning on login alerts in your email on Facebook today for added security and peace of mind.